Hello friends, my name is Sia and today we will be reading another story. It is called King of the Zoo. I hope you enjoy reading this book with me and I hope you enjoy. Come on, let's begin. King of the Zoo. They say the lion is the king of the jungle, but who's the king of the zoo? Carlos, that's who. There is no one cooler or cleverer or charminger than Carlos, or so he thought. Carlos, look, the king of the zoo. I know Hey, the kangaroo? Carlos was hopping mad. The king of the zoo is me, that's who. Then things got worse. Carlos scratched his head in disbelief. Not again, the monkey too. Monkey, king of the zoo. The king of the zoo is me, that's who. And then things got even worse. Carlos stomps his foot in frustration. Not again, the elephant too. The king of the zoo is me, that's who. And then things got even worse. Carlos growled unhappily. Not again, the tiger too. The king of the zoo is me, that's who. And then things got even worse. Carlos stretched his neck out stubbornly. Not again, the giraffe too? The king of the zoo is me, that's who. But then things sank to a new low. Not again, the hippo too? The king of the zoo is me, that's who. Who else is the king? The pygmy shrew? Yup. This had to stop. There was only room for one king. And that king is me. That's who. Carlos paced green with envy. Why did there have to be other kings of this zoo? Carlos saw red. It just wasn't fair. He was the best king. Carlos basked in a purple glow. But purple gave way to blue. Was he still the best king? Or had he gotten a little rusty? Carlos went yellow with fear. Maybe he wasn't a king anymore. Maybe no one had ever told him. Grandma, check it out. He's my favorite. Carlos blinked. Check what out? I don't see any. Right there, doesn't he rule? Carlos blushed. Somebody knew he ruled. Just one single solitary person. But the funny thing was, it felt like an entire kingdom. Who still got it? Carlos, that's who. See? Well, I'll be. The end. And I hope you enjoy reading this book with me, and I hope you come back for the next episodes of crafts, learning, reading, and more. Bye-bye for now.